Indians love to eat. We eat what our parents cook for us, we eat what our partners cook for us, and we even eat whatever this guy cooks for us. But would we like what a machine cooks for us? upGrad Future Forward. Stories from the now about the future. Humans have been exploring the culinary arts ever since we discovered fire. Over the years, these arts have become a part of what it means to be a civilized human. It is what separates us from animals. And it's not like these arts have seen a recession. We have over 100 distinct cuisines, which branch out locally to create thousands of niche styles. These styles are so different in taste, flavor, and presentation that even humans can't appreciate all of them. For a machine to understand the complexity and nuance of cooking seems a bit far-fetched. Well, there might just be a better way. Facebook is working on a project titled Inverse Cooking. The idea is to be able to retrieve recipes based on the image of the cooked food, instead of searching the endless list of recipes or predicting the recipe, which usually leads to disastrous results. It tries to predict a list of ingredients. Based on the predicted list of ingredients and the image, it predicts a step-by-step recipe. Now you might be thinking that the path for AI to perfect its cooking is long and hard, but you haven't met Chef Watson yet. Created by IBM, Chef Watson became a hit during the 2010s. He wrote a cookbook, he had his own food truck, cooked with celebrities, and beat everyone else at Jeopardy, the TV game show. Chef Watson had a collection of over 9,000 recipes and had learned what ingredients are used most often, in which combinations, and under what categories. This approach helped Watson understand the underlying logic and style of the cuisine. Aided by data and pattern recognizing abilities, Watson learned to suggest up to 4 ingredients that come together for a harmonious meal. Now, 4 ingredients might not seem like much, but the resulting combination from just 4 ingredients adds up to about 1 quintillion possibilities. So if a picture says 1,000 words, many wish those 1,000 words could be a recipe for a meal for one cooked by a machine, liberating them from the chore of cooking. For others, of course, it is art. It's a passion. And the act of creating something new is as rewarding as the meal itself. In any case, it's unlikely that machines will take over kitchens in the near future. So till then, bon appetit! If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from upGrad.